This trading approach that I'm about to show you is so effective. The only thing that you need is liquidity, seeing a market maker model, a change in the state of delivery, SMT, and a fair value gap to find your entry. The first thing that you need to see is price take out a significant liquidity, reverse from that liquidity, leading to a change in the state of delivery. So currently it's about to be Monday and we're going to watch what the market first does. Price takes out the liquidity, gives a change in the state of delivery when it closes above the opening of these last down close candles. Now, you can see that we have the change in the state of delivery. And because I only trade NQ or ES, and I can see that between the two, ES is the asset that moved the most, my focus is going to be on ES because it's going to move stronger in my direction if I am looking for buys. So currently I'm on ES, and what I can see is that a market maker model is forming. So over here, we have the original consolidation, and over here, we have the first phase accumulation. And when price took out this low over here, this area looks like the smart money reversal. To confirm this area as a smart money reversal, I need to check that it has an SMT behind it. So I'm going to go and look at the other assets, NQ and Dow Jones, to check. So over here, I can see this low right there. We failed to take that out in NQ and in ES, but in Dow Jones, that exact low gets taken out there, confirming this area over here as a smart money reversal. So I'm currently on ES on the M15 timeframe. Now that I know that I am in a market maker buy model, I look for the last up close candles that have not yet been tested on the sell side of the curve. If during the New York session after 9:30, a fair value gap forms inside one of these levels, it is going to be a high probability fair value gap to trade to the upside. So I'm now back on all three assets again. And because the low of London was the smart money reversal and had an SMT with it, I'm not going to expect an SMT on the lows between the London session. Therefore, I'm going to be on the 90-minute cycle, expecting an SMT during that time window for a confirmation. So we are currently on the 90-minute cycle on the 5-minute time frame, and we're going to watch to see if we get an SMT. And as you can see over there, Dow Jones takes out the low of the previous quarter and immediately reverses, while ES and NQ are both trading higher. So now that this SMT has formed and price is expanding higher, I'm going to go to the 1-minute time frame. Then I'm going to watch to see if I get an entry inside of this level. So I will keep my focus on here. Over here, I can see a fair value gap is inside of here. So I'm going to put my entry on that fair value gap right there. And I'm going to aim for a risk reward of 1:3. And then we're going to see what then happens. And just like that, my risk reward is hit. This is a very simple strategy. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Good luck and good trading.